All right, guys, Shawn Severs here, Storyline Marketing, and it is October, and we're filming for Accurate Auto. Rick Kersey is the owner, legend in the industry, and it is a great first day. We are here in Hillsboro, Oregon. He's got 5 locations, and we're gonna go film at his second location on the next half of the day. We've been capturing B-roll shots of all of his tech's workings, but also the customer interactions that have come into the shop, and as well as answering redundant questions that Nathan might have on the phone. But this is what Storyline Marketing is here doing, is highlighting the services, the feature, but most importantly, the impact that these shops are having so consumers know to choose them versus their competitors. We are filming here for 3 days to make 12 months worth of commercials where we will literally edit the film that you're probably seeing on screen every single month. And this is the biggest shop client yet, and we want to do this for you. So if you're seeing this and you are a multi-shop owner, or you own a single independent location and you want to be seen as an obvious choice going into 2026, you need to make an executive decision to make your shop the best choice that people can see. So click the link above and below, because if it's not you, it might be your competitor.